Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you how you can recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. Now, I would always recommend to have the AC recharged by a professional mechanical shop, just because they have all the right equipment. They can connect to both low pressure and high pressure charging ports, and they can evacuate the system before recharging. But if you're on a budget and trying to save some money, this is something you can do by yourself as well. Okay, so to recharge the air conditioner by yourself, you will need the AC recharge kit, which consists of AC recharge holes and usually comes with 2 cans. Now, price for this is usually around $50, but I've seen it on sale for even $25, so it really depends on the store. You can buy this at pretty much any car parts store, Walmart, Target. Last summer I've even seen those at grocery stores, so it's very easily available. Good thing about this kit is that you can always reuse this hose as many times as you wish. You just have to buy new refrigerant cans for each new recharge. Okay, now right here on the sticker you will see what is the capacity of the freon in the system. So it's 1.05 kilograms, and now on these cans you can also see R134A, and one can comes to 454 grams. So that means, let's say, 2 full cans would be to fill out this system. Now, this all depends. If the system is not completely empty, you might have to use just half of a can or 1 can. That really depends on your condition. Now, you have to, when you're charging the AC, you have to keep monitoring the amount of refrigerant in the system. And what is the goal? You want to get into this yellow area, right? Once you are here, that's good to go. Okay, now how this actually works: you will screw on a can onto this side, and then you will connect the other side of the hose to the low pressure charging port. And once you do that, you will pierce the can by turning this knob all the way in, and then you will start the vehicle and start charging the system. And now I will show you how to do it. Okay, just screw the can on nice and tight. Okay, I'm using one hand. Okay, and now once you do that, do not pierce the can yet. First you want to connect the other side to the low pressure charging port. Now, unfortunately, on these vehicles, low pressure charging port is all the way down next to the oil filter. Now, this thing right here, this is the high pressure port. You don't want to touch it. Low pressure charging port will be all the way down next to the oil filter. I hope you can see there's like a small black cap. Okay, I will turn the zoom. Okay, I'll turn the flash on my phone just a second, or maybe, okay, now you can see it, I guess. You see it? It's right here. You will take this black cap off, and then you will attach the other side of the hose to that port. Okay, now so this is the cap, and what you will do to attach it, you will just pull this sleeve up like this, and it should attach automatically. And once you do that, you can start the vehicle. Okay, now start the vehicle. And what you will do next, you will lower the temperature all the way, set fan speed to the highest setting, and then you will turn on the air conditioner, and then you can proceed outside. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to hear me. Now what you want to do, you want to slowly start releasing this knob. This doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time and slowly start charging the AC. And always keep monitoring the amount of refrigerant in the system. Now what I like to do as well, I like to take a break while charging and just go inside the vehicle and see if I feel any difference. Okay, so just give it a try and see if you feel the air being blown is any cooler. Okay, in my case I can definitely feel a difference already. It's not stone cold, but it's much better than it was, so I will continue charging my system. And once again, don't forget to keep monitoring the amount of refrigerant in your system. Always keep checking. Don't make a decision based on your feeling, but always keep checking what the gauge on the hose is showing you. Okay, so just continue to slowly charge the system. Once you're done and happy with the results, you can turn off the vehicle. Now once you're done, before disconnecting the low pressure charging port, first you want to turn this knob all the way in, just because if there is any refrigerant left in the system, you want to make sure it doesn't leak out on the other side. And once you do that, you can safely disconnect the low pressure charging port. Okay, just like that. Now, in case your system was completely empty and you have to add one more can, you will just repeat the process from the beginning of this video. You will first deattach the empty can, then you will attach a new can, connect the low pressure charging port, and then pierce the can with this knob and repeat the process until you get here. Yeah, I wasn't really able to record my gauge here because it was all the way down, but yeah, mine was just around 60, and that's good enough. So I just had to add one can, so it was halfway full. I will also add, all of this will work in case there is no any major leaks in your system and in case your AC compressor is actually working. If you have any bigger leak or problems with the AC compressor, unfortunately you will have to take the vehicle to a mechanical shop so they can diagnose where the leak is coming from. Is it from the AC lines or one of the seals, or is the AC compressor faulty? In case you have a small leak, you can try recharging the system with something like this. It's called stop leak. So it pretty much helps seal and condition O-rings and minor AC system leaks. I tried using this a couple of times and it did actually help. It all depends. If your leak is bigger, then it will not help, but small leaks and things like that, it can help. And then you should have your AC at least during the summer, but any bigger leaks, like I said, you just have to fix it. Okay, yeah, I hope this video was helpful. This is how you can try to recharge the air conditioner by yourself, and it's quite cheap to do it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.